Felly, rydyn ni wedi dysgu popeth am net zero, yr effaith mae bod dynol wedi chael ar y planed, a'r hyn rydyn ni'n ei wneud i'w gwella. Ond pa yrfaoedd sydd ar gael y gallwch chi ymchwilio mwyn i chi allu gwneud gwahaniaeth rhyw ddydd? Wel, gadewch i ni edrych. Mae yna llawer o yrfaoedd y gallwch chi fynd iddynt, o Peirianneg awyr ofod i benseirniaeth am system ynni, cynghorydd ynni a chynaliadwyedd neu beiriannydd prosiect. Ble bynnag mae eich diddordebau, mae yna yrfa i chi. Ond peidiwch y gymryd oddi wrth ni'n unig. Dyma beth sydd gan rhai o weithwyr proffesiynol y diwydiant i'w ddweud am ddyfodol net zero.
I went through Swansea University as a materials engineer, and the team at Specific isn't just materials engineers, and that's a great thing. Materials engineering is very vital, but we also have mechanical engineers, we have mathematicians, we have computer engineers. So working with a team of people that sort of cover what I can't. So I've always had an issue with maths, for example.
There's a wide range of skills required to contribute to net zero. Both from fundamental understanding of where does a photon go or where does an electron go, right through to designing new technologies, to testing new technologies, to manufacturing them. So the manufacturing base is really important to the next generation of renewable technologies, and also to getting them used.
The world is changing. If you are a manufacturer of exhausts or anything to do with an internal combustion engine, your days are going to be numbered over the next 7 or 8 years. And you really need to be looking at what you could be developing in the future to keep your business viable.
The key career paths we're going to be seeing in net zero engineering from an automotive point of view is everything from design through to project management and also integration of EV systems into existing automotive platforms.
Supply chain problems in the future will be on critical materials that you need in electric cars, like neodymium in the magnets and lithium and cobalt and nickel in the batteries. And it's important that we start looking at those supply chains for the future to make sure that we have all of those components so that we can continue building cars.
Getting the training is essential for not just our staff, but the next generation, because you've got to remember the whole of the auto industry at the moment is turning to electric.
Sort of hydrogen cars are sort of like a myth within the industry for me anyway, and seeing it in real time, in person sort of thing, and especially getting to see the whole build progress, how it comes as an engineering concept in bits and bobs and pieces, and throughout the months you see it built up, and knowing you're helping the process, definitely amazing. And getting to see it drive outside the garage, definitely amazing. A good balance between good engineering skills and good workshop skills, being able to design, interpret, and imagine concepts, while also being able to put into fruition and realize it.